What's Elon Musk up to now? The unveiling of Tesla's highly anticipated 2025 Model Q has sent ripples through the electric vehicle (EV) industry, promising an unparalleled price point and revolutionary production methods, all based in the United States. This new model is poised to redefine what affordability and accessibility mean in the EV market. Could this be the electric vehicle we've all been waiting for? What unique features and unexpected innovations has Elon Musk packed into the Model Q? If you're eager to learn how this vehicle could transform the EV market, stay tuned for all the details. Before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and help Next Gen Auto Gear achieve a major milestone of new subscribers. Your support fuels the tech content you love. Now, let's explore the Model Q in detail. Tesla has turned heads with the announcement of the Model Q's official starting price. Beginning at just $19,999 for the base model, the Model Q is the most affordable Tesla ever produced. Two trims will be available: the single-motor rear-wheel drive (RWD) model and the long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive (AWD) variant. The base model's price makes it one of the cheapest EVs on the market, making it ideal for urban commuting and daily errands. For those seeking more performance and versatility, the dual-motor AWD version will be available for $24,999. This trim offers enhanced acceleration, improved handling, and a longer range, making it perfect for road trips and challenging driving conditions. When compared to competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt EV, priced at $26,500, and the Nissan Leaf, starting at $28,000, Tesla's Model Q significantly undercuts its rivals. Despite its affordability, the Model Q does not compromise on Tesla's hallmark features, including cutting-edge battery technology and advanced electric powertrains. With its revolutionary pricing, the Model Q represents a clear value proposition for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and economical EV. The 2025 Tesla Model Q will be manufactured in the United States, with production centered at Tesla's Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Nevada. Gigafactory Texas, a sprawling facility covering 2,500 acres, is set to employ over 10,000 workers by 2025 and will lead the production of the Model Q. Meanwhile, Gigafactory Nevada, spanning 1.9 million square feet, will focus on battery production. Tesla's choice to prioritize US-based manufacturing carries significant benefits. It creates thousands of jobs, strengthens regional economies, and ensures a robust local supply chain. Additionally, by avoiding global supply chain disruptions and the costs associated with tariffs and shipping, Tesla can keep the Model Q's price low and meet domestic demand more efficiently. The Made in USA label enhances the Model Q's appeal among American consumers and aligns with Tesla's sustainability goals. It also helps the company secure tax breaks and government subsidies, further boosting its competitive edge. By focusing on domestic production, Tesla minimizes geopolitical risks, including US-China trade tensions, while ensuring steady long-term growth. Tesla has implemented groundbreaking manufacturing innovations to keep the Model Q competitively priced. At the heart of this strategy is Tesla's unboxed manufacturing system. This modular production process replaces the traditional assembly line, allowing components to be assembled in separate areas before coming together in the final stages. This approach reduces factory space requirements by 40% and accelerates production. Tesla also utilizes advanced robotics, such as the Optimus Bot, to increase efficiency, safety, and flexibility on the factory floor. Additionally, the company employs giga-casting technology, which involves using large aluminum components to replace hundreds of smaller parts. This method cuts production costs by up to 30% per vehicle. One of the most notable cost-saving measures is Tesla's transition to lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries for the Model Q. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries that rely on expensive materials like nickel and cobalt, LFP batteries use more abundant and affordable resources such as iron and phosphate. These batteries are 30 to 40% cheaper to produce and are also more sustainable, aligning with Tesla's commitment to clean energy. Tesla plans to ramp up production of the Model Q to 500,000 units annually by 2026, with 100,000 units expected in 2025. The rollout will prioritize the North American market initially, with plans to expand to Europe and Asia as production scales. Tesla is also expanding its supercharger network, aiming to add 10,000 new chargers in North America by 2025 to support the growing number of EVs on the road. The Tesla Model Q is 15% smaller and 30% lighter than the Model 3, making it an excellent option for urban environments. Measuring approximately 157 inches in length compared to the Model 3's 185 inches, the Model Q's compact design is ideal for city driving and tight parking spaces. The Model Q will feature a 53 kWh LFP battery in the base model and a 75 kWh battery in the AWD variant. The vehicle is expected to offer a range of up to 310 miles on a single charge, likely in the more efficient RWD trim. Externally, the Model Q boasts a sleek design with a slanted nose, sculpted side panels, and flush door handles. With a drag coefficient of 0.20 to 0.22, it is one of the most aerodynamic vehicles on the market. Lightweight materials like aluminum alloys and carbon fiber reinforced plastics contribute to a curb weight of 2,500 to 2,800 pounds, significantly lighter than the Model 3. Inside, the Model Q features a minimalist design with eco-friendly materials, such as vegan leather and recycled textiles. A panoramic sunroof, ergonomic seating, and a compact touchscreen interface provide a blend of comfort, luxury, and functionality. Despite its smaller size, the Model Q offers ample passenger space and clever storage solutions, making it a practical choice for families and urban drivers alike. The Tesla Model Q offers considerable financial advantages, starting with fuel savings of $600 to $1,200 annually. Electric vehicles cost just 4 cents to 6 cents per mile to power, compared to gas vehicles, which cost 10 cents to 15 cents per mile. Buyers can also take advantage of federal tax credits of up to $7,500 and state incentives ranging from $1,000 to $5,000, significantly reducing the upfront cost. Additionally, the Model Q's low maintenance requirements, estimated at $300 to $500 per year, and a lifespan of 200,000 to 300,000 miles further enhance its affordability. To make ownership even more accessible, Tesla will offer flexible financing options, including 36 to 72-month loans with interest rates starting at 3.99%. Leasing plans will also be available, with monthly payments estimated at $300 to $450. The Tesla Model Q is a groundbreaking step forward in making electric vehicles more affordable and accessible. By combining innovative manufacturing techniques, cost-effective battery technology, and a focus on domestic production, Tesla has created an EV that appeals to a wide range of consumers.